Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. Are you ready to transform your grocery shopping experience? Welcome to ShopSmart by ATT, your ultimate app for making shopping smarter, faster, and stress-free. Whether it's keeping track of your items, managing what you've bought, or organizing your categories, we've got it all. And this is just the beginning. With ShopSmart, we'll keep adding new features every week to make your shopping journey even better. In this first version of ShopSmart, here's what you can do. Get a quick summary of your shopping status, see how many items are still pending and how many you've already bought. Manage your shopping list effortlessly. Review what you've already shopped for in a dedicated list. Mark items as bought or cancel bought with just one tap. And easily add or edit your categories to organize your shopping better. This is just the start. Each week, we'll add new and exciting functions to ShopSmart. From budget tracking to inventory management and more, our app will evolve to make your life easier. We also want to hear from you. Have an idea or a feature suggestion? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to make ShopSmart your go-to app for all things shopping. The app's main dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your shopping progress. You'll see how many items are still pending and how many you've already bought. It's a simple, quick way to stay on top of your tasks. Next up is your shopping list, the heart of the app. Easily add new items, organize them by categories, and even jot down notes for specific items. Once you've grabbed something off the shelf, just tap Bought to update its status. Need to undo that? Use the Cancel Bought button to move it back to pending. Once you've marked an item as bought, it's automatically moved to the shop list. This dedicated view helps you track what you've already purchased. Perfect for avoiding duplicates or double-checking your haul. Organizing your shopping is easy with the categories registration feature. Add, edit, or delete categories to make your lists as personalized as you need. Whether it's dairy, snacks, or household items, categories keep everything organized and efficient. And that's ShopSmart V1. We're just getting started, and there's so much more to come. Every week, we'll roll out new features, making this app more powerful and tailored to your needs. If you want to learn how to build this app step by step, join our members-only tutorial series. By becoming a member, you'll gain exclusive access to in-depth tutorials and resources to create and customize apps like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got ideas for future updates or features, let us know in the comments. This app is as much yours as it is ours. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the journey of building the ultimate grocery shopping assistant. This is ShopSmart by ATT. Let's make shopping smarter, together. Bye.